good to see you. Hi, Neo. Oh, sorry I was late. How long have you been? What do you mean by this? How many minutes, hours or seconds? My friend here cannot determine any fixed quantities because he does not have definite number system. Imagine if we didn't have any reference or any number to count. Oh my god, the world would have been so confusing. But fortunately, we have a standard way of defining quantities, which is units, the topic of the day. A unit is a definite way of representing quantities. Example, there are many smartphones available of different screen sizes, right from 5 inch to 5.5 to 6 inch. Here, 5, 5.5 and 6 is the magnitude of quantities, whereas inch is the unit of measurement. Nice try, big guy. Units of measurements are used to avoid confusions and mistakes. Quantities cannot be represented without magnitude and a unit. If we have magnitude but we do not have unit, it will still be confusing. Example, the room's height is 12. 12 what? Meters? Centimeters? Kilometers. Same is the case, vice versa. We define length in terms of meter, centimeter, etc. Similarly, we have units to determine voltage, current and resistance as well. We define and measure voltage in terms of volts, represented by capital V. Example, the voltage of the normal AA battery is 1.5 volts or 1.5 V. Similarly, we measure current in terms of ampere, represented by capital A. Example, the amount of current flowing in the circuit is XYZ ampere or XYZ A. Resistance is measured in terms of ohm, represented by the Greek alphabet omega. Whenever you'll start a search operation in your starter kit, you'll see different kinds of resistor. You'll notice there are different names over it, such as 1 mega ohm, 220 ohms, 1 kilo ohms, 4.7 kilo ohms and 10 kilo ohms. Do you know what M and K stands for? See, can you measure the distance between Earth and your home planet using this? Talking about your home planet, do you know how far it is? Really? And do you have family? How many members? I mean, how many Neos? 3 Neos. Okay, getting back. Can you measure the distance between the Taj Mahal and the Great Wall of China using the scale? No, exactly. We need something bigger to measure distance this long, something like kilometers. Likewise, not all the values can be clearly expressed in terms of standard or SI unit. We need to break them into multiples of 10. If you see a small k or a capital M in resistor, that would mean 1,000 or 1,000,000 ohm respectively. Similarly, if you see a small m in current or voltage, that would be 1,000th of ampere or volts respectively. Thanks to units and measurement, as I can finally ask the exact number of toffees I want from Neo. Can you give me 3 toffees? Let me finish it up. Till then, see ya! Come on, Neo.